everybody, namaste, this is our Yogi. Welcome to Green Living Path. It's awesome to have everybody here. Today we're going to do a energizing workout. It's great for your toning your whole body, your arms, your stomach, and also elongating and taking tension out of your back and just overall stretching your body. So we're going to do that today, right now, so stay with the actual workout and really enjoy it. It's good to have everybody here. So here we go. The first one we're going to do is this. We're going to just start off with a warm-up. So just basically taking a stretch, grabbing the knees, rotating. This is the warm-up to activate the body before we get into some of the poses. Sitting straight, elongating the spine, using the breath, rotating, letting go with the breath, using it as a barometer to release. And then just coming out and just doing the other side, grabbing the knee, using the breath, breathing in and then just breathing out. Great. So the first pose we're going to do, we're going to do the squat, really working your groin, opening up the groin, elongating the spine, and your Manipura chakra, which is your base. That's your earth element. Working on that. Sitting in the pose, everybody. Great work. Keep going, working. Awesome. Opening out the hips. Stay with it. Use the breath. Okay, then the next one we're coming up, we're going to do a forward fold, going over the sit bones. This is to get ready for other poses. So coming down, relaxing. Letting go underneath here, the hamstrings, just over your sit bones, relaxing, releasing the hamstrings, elongating the spine, relaxing the shoulders, just relieving tension in the whole body. And just gently walking it up. So the next pose, we're going to come down into tabletop pose. We're going to press up and then up into cobra pose, stretching, holding the pose. This is great for the triceps, your shoulders, really opening up your chest. Just hold the pose a little bit longer, as long as you can. Guys, it's great to have you here. And then just coming back. Gently putting your hands out, releasing the underneath your arms. Great work, stay with it. This is great to release tension in your shoulders. Opening up the shoulders. Then just coming back up again into plank, downward plank, and then up again into cobra. One more after this. It's great. Holding the pose. You're doing awesome, guys. pulling back again. Elongating the whole spine, opening up under the armpits, and then just coming back to plank pose, down, and then up into cobra, holding the pose, really opening out the chest. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to come back into plank, into tabletop pose, and then we're going to gently come into walking out down dog, just paddling out the feet. This is great for releasing tension in the hamstrings. Keep going, this is great to release tension. And then just bend your knees, straighten out a little bit, bend your knees, straighten out a little bit, paddling again. Great for releasing tension. And then just gently walk, curl your back upwards. Awesome. So that was a good little workout. So we're just going to come down and do a power pose now. Just over hip width apart, putting your hands to your chest, and then just basically going down into a squat. Holding the pose, everybody. Great for your workout, for your quads, over your heart. Use the breath. This is great for the glutes, the quads. Chair pose. You don't need to do weights when you do poses like this. A little bit longer, and then just coming back down. Smiling, practicing light-heartedly. It's beautiful today out here in the back garden, the totara, the conifer, with nature. Nature's really important to get the prana, the negative ions, into your whole energy system. And make sure you tag the links in my bio. I've got a special course for the microbiome for you to transform that. And to actually, once you do that, then it also lifts your vibration, and you're actually transforming the whole way you see the second brain, guys. So don't forget to tab that. It's in the bio, and it's a special course I've put together to really help you transform and move on up as a yogi, yogini, growing each day. So continuing with the practice, we're just rotating the shoulders. That's good. Just releasing tension in the shoulders. Awesome. Then interlocking the hands straight above. This is great for releasing tension. Feel that stretch, and then just putting your hand down, stretching over, looking under. Good side stretch, and then coming back the other way, side stretch, and then we're just going to gently seated pose. We're just going to stretch wherever we're comfortable, stretching from the lower back, just being comfortable, stretching up, lifting forward, stretching it back out. Great for releasing your hamstrings. But just remember, you can hold these poses longer. I'm going through the poses because I want to speed up the practice. And then just gently putting your hands back, pushing up. Great pose. Just holding that pose. Hold the pose a little bit longer, then just coming down. And so we're just going to realise, just give thanks for everything, guys. It's awesome to have you all here. So don't forget to tab subscribe, tab the link, and let's really move forward.